Okay, this is my top secret project. Started with a piece of, I think it's 3 1/4 Delrin. Cut a little puck out of it. And then I machined this recess in here. This is an adapter. Once that recess was done, then I came back and machined this smaller hole. And, there's some extra on here. And it was still, this big. So then I had to machine off all the extra around the outside. And to do that, I machined this piece, a piece of Delrin with a recess in it that would fits together like that. And then I could put a bolt through it here and hold it onto my fixture plate. And then I can machine around the outside and get this thinner wall that I needed. To try and do that in the machine, I'd either have to have a lot of extra material, and even then I'm not sure how tight it would be, but I didn't want to squeeze this and get it out of shape. So holding this in like that when I machined the final outside dimension worked really well. So I'll now go through the machining process, and at the end of the video you'll see the top secret use for this special adapter.
So you wanted everything.
Okay, see how flat those are? Now we put on my special adapter, custom made. That's what I was going for. A little taller cookie. Mm.
5:33 p.m. New discovery.
All right, here we go. Double pump. Okay, here we go. There we go. Those are like the spritz cookies I remember. That's it.